Hello everyone, today we will be discussing Amiclear, a scientific approach to metabolic health. Amiclear is designed to help individuals optimize their metabolic function and ensure optimal energy levels and overall well-being. Metabolism is the process by which our body converts the food we eat into energy. In some cases, the metabolism can be slowed, leading to poor absorption of nutrients, weight gain, and even chronic health problems. Amiclear targets 4 key areas to help stimulate metabolic health. 1. Optimizing nutrients. Amiclear ensures that your body receives the correct nutrients it needs to function optimally. By optimizing nutrient intake, we can improve muscle function, hormonal balance, and overall energy levels. 2. Proper hydration. Amiclear emphasizes the importance of proper hydration, as dehydration can significantly affect metabolism. Drinking enough water can help increase your metabolism, increase fat loss, and improve overall health. 3. Balanced diet. A balanced diet is essential for maintaining optimal metabolic health. Amiclear recommends you incorporate a variety of nutrient-dense foods, focusing on whole foods and limiting processed and sugary options. 4. Exercise regularly. Exercise is essential for boosting metabolism and promoting overall health. Amiclear suggests incorporating a combination of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises to support your metabolic goals. In conclusion, Amiclear is a science-based approach to metabolic health that focuses on nutrient optimization, hydration, a balanced diet, and regular exercise. By following these guidelines, you can improve your energy levels, weight management, and overall well-being. Try Amiclear and start your journey to metabolic health today.